Wait! Don't eat chocolate! Baka magka-acne ka! Keep watching! My name is Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath. I'm bridging science and nature for your skin. Your skin is the mirror of your inner system. Acne starts with excess oil, flagworms, and bacteria, pero madalas, may mas malalim na dahilan. When the gut is off balance, hormones shift and inflammation rises. Mas nagiging active ang oil glands, mas madaling magbara ang pores, kaya ang acne hindi aksidente. It's a signal from inside na may kailangang ayusin. You need daily gentle cleansing, skincare with antibacterial actives to fight bacteria, at lightweight hydration para manatiling matibay ang skin barrier. Healing within is just as important as the skincare. And that starts with supporting your system through probiotics to balance your gut, regular exercise para ma-regulate ang hormones, sapat na tulog para makapag-repair, at whole food diet na mababa sa sugar at processed oils para bumaba ang inflammation. And yes, hindi ang chocolate mismo ang dahilan, kundi ang sugary at dairy-loaded versions na pwedeng mag-trigger ng breakouts. Kaya pwede pa rin kumain, basta in moderation at piliin yung mataas ang cocoa content. To address the acne, skincare is half the work and lifestyle is the other half. For more science and nature beauty, follow me and love your skin inside out.